Now we're back to learning Premiere Pro. Let me show you how you can nest objects. It's a necessary function for many effects. You can nest video, audio clips, images, and you can also nest them together. I'll just add 3 images. What you do is left click drag so that all are selected, then right click and nest. But let me directly add an audio clip. I'll press C for the cut tool. Then select it all, right click, nest, give it a name, or just pick the default. Nested sequence 02 for me, confirm via OK. We're here in our project, and there's the nested sequence. You can double click on it, and the nested sequence will open. You can adjust it right here. Let me make the third image longer, and I extend the audio. And when I close this now, it's updated in my general project timeline. And this is how you can nest objects in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.